Choosing the right platform can make or break your AI application dreams. So let's dive into the ultimate showdown, Langflow vs Dify. First up, Langflow. Think of it as your visual coding playground for AI. It lets you drag and drop components like language models, data loaders, and vector stores to build custom workflows. This flexibility makes it great for prototyping and experimenting with different AI models and integrations. Langflow boasts a massive component library and gives you the freedom to create your own custom blocks, truly tailoring the platform to your unique project needs. It's also open source, making it a hit with developers who love to tinker under the hood. Now, let's talk about Dify. Dify takes a more streamlined, application-centric approach. It focuses on creating production-ready AI applications, especially chatbots and conversational agents, with pre-built templates and features. Dify excels in simplifying deployment and offers features like AI model management, built-in prompt engineering, and easy UI customization, getting your AI app into users' hands faster. So, who wins? Well, if you're a developer who wants maximum control and loves experimenting, Langflow is your go-to. But if you need to quickly build and deploy polished AI applications, particularly chatbots, Dify might be the better choice. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs and expertise.